Welcome to the chaos, where 2 peak gold 3s and 1 washed up diamond team up for the ultimate challenge. This isn't just ranked, it's the scuffed, reckless charge towards platinum. This play's about to happen, teamwork is questionable,
Where's our trips,
bro? Let's find out if raw determination, with just no skill, can defy the odds and grab the 3 knobs and take it to plat.
We loaded into our first ranked game of the series. The map was Corrode, and the first 2 rounds went pretty easily. Nothing exciting really happened until I hit this clutch. Oh my god, that guy sucks.
He's there.
Are we pushing?
Oh, what kind of you got?
They're on this side. There's like 2 here, by the way.
Oh, bro.
Another? On by yeah.
I feel like rotate's worth
Maybe
it. I'm
don't
not gonna
push the
lie.
side, guys.
Flag! Where's our trips, bro? Where's our trips?
Player standing.
Nice, you're throwing.
One enemy remaining.
Clutch it. Clutch it.
I have the spike.
Oh my god.
How did that hit? How did that? After that clutch, we ended up losing the next 2 rounds, but it's alright because we won the 2 rounds back, and then I had another clutch. Oh.
Can you like just pop your out here? Towards mid there.
Bring me the arsenal.
Oh, double though. I like that.
There's no one even
I'm
here.
going to try. No
On
more
mid.
thorns. I'll find you.
Right, one more.
Last player standing.
Fuck, he's there.
One
Wait, he's,
enemy
Where is he?
remaining.
He's flashback, I guess. I don't know. Just like, yeah, that way.
You can use your flash.
Ooh.
That's my trio.
After that clutch, we ended up winning the half 9-3.
Left. One enemy remaining.
Nice. Nice.
No, wait, they're all running mid.
Behind the box right now.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, crazy.
Nothing that interesting happened in the second half, so I'm just gonna play some clips from Zach.
Yeah, hit again now.
Coming in.
Got a lot of good thing.
Spike down A.
Are they?
Yes, still there.
Cover going out.
One more mid. That's bad.
No, what on the fuck?
Reloading.
Bro, can I get my...
Still in sight.
Nice. Good game.
Defenders win.
Yeah, it's because he had me for real. Am I wrong? Or am I right?
After a strong first game, we kept going into our second and third game, where we won both of them, but it was a full wipeout, so we don't think we really have to show you guys, so we're just gonna play this little montage for you.
You should bring your best friends right now. Meet me on the west end, uptown. I promise I will never let you down, 'cause I don't wanna lose what I found. Call me on a hotline. She said, if you want her, she's all mine. I got tickets to a good time. We can make room on my side. Like, oh, you got love, I got some too. It sounds like, oh, all I really wanna tell you, you should bring your best friends right now. Meet me on the west end, uptown. I promise I will never let you down, 'cause I don't wanna lose what I found. I could take you to Mars if you want it, babe. I don't know if I love you, it's hard to say. I could be with you every day, but I might forget your name. I don't wanna say too much, I already said enough. Make sure you stay in touch, I might just fall in love. Let me see some. I can give you everything, I just need a reason. If
6, 7.
Calvin, yeah, you know his name. He changed it once or twice, but I think it's here to stay. His